Say hi, Cheyenne. Are you relaxing in the sun? Yeah. Who's the pretty girl? Huh? Oh, she says I am. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, hello, Mr. Gimli. Hello. How are you? I can't believe little Miss Bitchin training hasn't freaked out and left yet. Oh, he says, I'm going to back off. He says, I know what her attitude is like. Are you like my Gypsy? Huh? Are you like my little Gypsy? Yes. She's a good girl. Oh, and here comes her sister. Say hello, Trixie, Trixie. Did you come out to enjoy the sun too? The cats have really begun to love the 3-season porch, and they might as well enjoy it for the few days that we have left, because this type of weather in New England is anything but normal. Huh? Trixie, Trixie. Oh, Mr. Gimli. Hello, Mr. Gimli. Yes, Mr. Gimli's a good boy. Yes. Who's handsome? Huh? Yeah? What about you girls? Who's the prettiest one of all? She says, whoever wins the slap fight, right? This is unusual to actually have them so close together. It's supposed to be a bonded pair of sisters, but they definitely haven't acted that way since we brought them home. But that's okay. They're happy. They're healthy. They're doing great. Talk to y'all later. Bye.